Welcome back to Not Your Mama's Cooking Show, featuring your favorite Native American home chef, me. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make this viral egg sandwich I've been seeing on TikTok. It's like all over the place. I wanna try it out. So it's gonna be really easy. It'll be a real short video. But basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix 3 eggs in a bowl. We're gonna put it in the pan, let it cook a little bit, throw some bread on there, throw some cheese on there, throw some meat on there. Instead of making it like a 30-second TikTok though, I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. You ready? Let's get started. All right, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna cook some bacon, and in the video, or in the TikTok, it shows them putting like bacon, cheese, and then flipping the egg. But I like sausage in my breakfast sandwiches, so I'm gonna take some Italian sausages and make that into a patty, kind of smash it all up in there as well. So I'm gonna cook, I don't know, let's do like 3 slices of bacon. Start with that. Probably our smokiest video to date. And while the bacon's going ahead and doing its thing, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Italian sausage that I have, squeeze out a couple ounces, maybe like 2 or 3 ounces. You can do this by hand, but I'm gonna go ahead and take some patty paper that I have and my spatula, and I'm just gonna flatten it out. Almost want it to be the size of the bread. That looks pretty close. That nice and flat. I'm just gonna kinda get the sides evened out a little bit. Let that go for a few more minutes. All right, now that our bacon's cooked, I'm gonna go ahead and take the sausage that I prepared and start getting that cooked as well. While that's cooking, I'm gonna take my sourdough bread that I got from Full Flavor Farms this afternoon. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my slices. Pretty fancy bread. And gotta love the smell of sausage. Just like bacon, but better. So now the recipe says take 3 eggs. So I got my eggs from Full Flavor Farm here. So what I'm gonna do, they don't show you in the TikTok video, so I'm gonna add some salt, and then I'm gonna add some pepper, maybe about, I don't know, teaspoon and a half. I love peppers, so you can never have enough. Well, I guess you can't have enough. And then as a bonus, I'm gonna just kind of throw some Parmesan cheese in the egg mix as well, because I love Parmesan in my eggs. It's delicious. Stir that up, get a nice little mix going on. It's gonna be nice and cheesy. Now I'm gonna take the egg mix and I'm gonna throw it in here. Let that sit, and then it says to take the bread, dip the bread. See if I can do it. Oh wow, wow. Oh yeah. All right, here it goes, the moment of truth. Flip it. Oh no. No. Come on, I can do it. I can salvage this. Yes. Yes. All right, so then we're gonna put our cheese. I got 2 slices going on, 1 on each side. Then we're gonna add our bacon. And then our sausage. All right, so fold this over. Almost got it, almost got it. Fold this over, oh, it. Here goes. Close. See if I can get this in there. Almost. Oh man. Oh man, look at that. Isn't that crazy? Well, I did it. I think I did it. If I would have had like store-bought bread, it probably would have all fit the way it was supposed to, like in the TikTok, but I had this bread that's probably 10 times better. It was made like across the street. Look at this. You know what this, well, look at the whole chunk that just fell off. I feel that this needs a cross-section shot. Boom. Look at that. Boom. Oh, look at the steam. Oh. There's more egg than bread, definitely. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. It's almost like a French toast. Pepper jack cheese got that little bit of bite. Sausage got that spiciness. The bacon's got the crunch. The eggs are so soft and fluffy. I almost forget there's bread in here. But when you bite into the bread, that sourdough gets you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of me making TikTok food. If you like it and you want to see more, let me know in the comments down below. If you liked the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more content. We're always trying to come up with new ideas all the time. But in the meantime, I'm going to chow down on my TikTok egg sandwich. Catch you next time.